Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video. So today's video will be regarding the Galaxy S21 Plus CAD-based render has been surfaced online courtesy to a popular leakster. We already know about the Galaxy S21 and Galaxy S20 Ultra CAD-based render that has been leaked a number of occasions in the past few weeks, but we haven't heard about the Galaxy S21 Plus very much often. So now the new leak has been surfaced online and there is a new 360 video that will give us the pretty much good detail what this device is gonna be capable of. Basically, it's going to be having a similar kind of design just like the S21, a camera pump on the back side that is going to be sliding alongside with the frame, and along with that it is coming with a triple camera setup on the back side with an LED flashlight that has been placed on an awkward position. Well, on the front we have similar design just like all other Samsung Galaxy latest models. It's going to be a punch hole camera cutout, but the bezels around the edges, on top, bottom, and even on the sides are pretty much slims. And you will also see this is going to be a flat display. The cited size in line with recent rumors that it is coming with a 6.8 inch of 120Hz of display being a part of the package. And for added context, the S20 Plus and Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G offered a 6.7 and 6.9 inch screen respectively. The S Pen support is going to be only available in the S21 Ultra devices, and the S21 and S21 Plus are not going to be having any kind of digitizer support inside as per the latest leaks which are coming from. So this means that the S21 Plus is going to be a little bit cheaper than the S21 Ultra and may features some of the cool specifications inside. In terms of camera, it's going to be basics when it compared to the Galaxy S21 Ultra, but still these cameras are going to be amazing. Based on these CAD renders on the bottom, we have seen there is not going to be any kind of headphone jack. There is a Type-C port, a single downfiring speaker, and a noise cancellation mic. On the right side of the device, we are going to see the power and volume up and down button. Also, we get the exact dimension for the upcoming Galaxy S21 Plus devices, and it's going to be measured at 161.9 millimeters, which would actually make it almost identical to Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G. Also, the rumors has been shared about the Galaxy S21 series price tag, and it's going to be a hefty price cut over the Galaxy S20 series. According to new information, the Galaxy S21 base model is going to be coming in between a price tag of $849 or $899, whereas the S21 Plus is going to be rumored at $1049 and $1099, which is going to be $100 cheaper in both of these devices. Likewise, the Galaxy S20 Ultra price tag has been lowered as well, and it's going to be $100 cheaper than this year S20 Ultra model. The price is going to be between $1249 or $1299. It's going to be even less than the S20 Ultra that was started at a price tag of $1399. So guys, the Galaxy S21 series is going to be launching in the mid-January, and according to some information from different sources that these devices are going to be launching on January 14th, and soon these devices are going to be marketed by the very end of same month. Though early February is the longest we are likely to have to wait before we are able to buy the Samsung next generation Android flagship. So guys, these are some of the information that has been surfaced online for the Galaxy S21 devices. Let me know your thoughts. What do you think about the Galaxy S21 series overall? Thanks for watching this video. Peace.